King ride. Every ever since of getting used to with boat riding, and we call it ship riding or shipping line. That I knew that it's not for riding, but I came over just specially for the ride today. Kidding, kidding aside of the food that I ate, that I wasn't full. I love that Persian food and Indian food over there in Seoul King Tower. It was a more of a like the Sima restaurant, CYMA restaurant.